Hello students, this is second part of the poem The Fountain. Poet describes the nature of the fountain. Poet tells that this fountain smiles in all weathers. Glad means क्या होता है? It is meaning of glad, happy. This fountain smiles in all weathers, either summer or winter, and still always seems, always looks, always appears best in all. And this fountain never takes rest. Its rest is its motion. Either this motion is upward or downward. Full of nature, nothing can tame. Changed every moment, ever the same. This fountain is filled with natural things, filled with nature. So no one can control it, no one can domesticate. Tame control or domesticate. So no one can control it, no one can tame it. Nobody can domesticate it. Changed every moment, ever the same. And this fountain changes its shape in every moment, except that it looks always same. Ceaseless aspiring. This fountain is continuous, keeps aspiring, keeps rising up, continuous. After that, this fountain always becomes satisfied, and its element is, its substance is, its material is darkness or sunshine. What is its element? What is element of fountain? Darkness or sunshine. Glorious fountain, let my heart be fresh, changeful, constant, upward like thee. In the last stanza, the poet addresses fountain. This is concluding stanza of this poem, Fountain. And in this stanza, in the last stanza, the poet concludingly addresses to the fountain that, O fountain, let my heart be fresh, changeful, constant, upward like thee. My heart let be like you, as you are fresh, as you are changeful, as you are constant, steady, and you as you are standing upward. So students, through this poem, the poet wants to tell us, wants to teach us that in all circumstances, men should be hardworking, men should be optimistic,